guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Delibia again. Hope you guys are doing fine. So I just thought of showing you guys this video because if you have been a subscriber from the very beginning, you know I'm a mom of two beautiful girls, and in the middle of last year I gave birth to my daughter, and I have been doing homemade recipes for her. So I thought it would be wise for me to share it with some lovely moms here in my channel, show them how I do apple, I don't know, it's apple smoothie, I'll call it apple puree for my daughter. She eats one of these every day. So if you're interested in knowing how you can get apples and do this for your daughter or your son, your baby, from the age of 4 months till she can be able to chew the apple itself, then stay tuned. But first of all, if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and welcome, and I'll see you guys in the video proper. So yeah, stay tuned. So after peeling all the apples, I have it full here in my sieve, as you can see. And then the next thing you do is get a pot and place water inside. You put the sieve on the pot like this, so when the water is on fire, once the water starts boiling, the heat is what is cooking the apples. So we are going to put this on the fire. I'm just going to on the stove, and I'll get a cover and cover it. So we are going to let this simmer for about 5 minutes. Once you realize that the apples are getting tender and soft, it means they are no longer raw, they are ready. So it has been steaming for a few minutes now. I just want to get the sieve and then try to do it like this, so the ones at the bottom can come up, the ones on top go. So I have taken the apples away from the heat, and this is how it looks right now. You can see the vapor from it. So I'll let it cool down because I can't blend it while it's still very hot. I'll let it cool for a while, then I'll put it inside my blender and then I blend. I have these containers that I used to store her food in the fridge. These ones, I have some of her food inside. I have about 8 of these that I use. See, so this is where empty containers that I'm going to put the apples when I blend them and store them in the freezer. Each day I make sure I defrost one of these. She eats it, and yeah. So right now I just placed it inside my blender. I'm going to blend and come back. This is not blending at all, so you need to add some of the water that you use to steam the apples. This is it in the pot. I'm just going to pour a little bit. This is very sweet. Make sure you always get apples that are ripe. You can also use the green apples, but once they are getting yellow and very ripe enough. So yeah, this is the final look of it. So if she's eating one a day, this is already 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is 6 portions for 6 days, because she has already eaten one today. This Sunday, so from Monday she gets one till it's finished, then I make another one. So yeah, hope you guys did love the video. I'll see you guys in another one.